And I was like, oh fuck, I forgot to do it. Hello everyone, welcome to day 19 of my Iceland trip. And what a beautiful morning! Really nice sunny weather, nice view of the glacier this morning when I stepped out of the tent. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, now I'm heading for the what was I heading for? Yeah, I'm heading for the Diamond Beach. That will be the first stop today. I had to argue a little bit to get electricity at the campsite last night. Well, not really argue, but in general they don't allow it because there have been some issues with people messing things up. But I said, I told them I knew what I was doing and I had charged at many campsites, so they were like, okay, you can try, but it won't work. But yeah, of course it works just fine. So yeah, I'm limiting it to between 6 and 8 amps when I charge at the campsites, just to be sure not to overload anything. No point in charging fast when you're stuck there all night anyway, so yeah. Look at the beautiful glacier. Oh, there's an arm coming all the way down here. Yeah, right here is a fast charger, so I could have just charged up here this morning if they wouldn't let me at the campsite. But yeah, we're all good. So I just stopped to check because I was thinking, it's getting a bit cold, maybe I should put the heat on. And I was like, where did I put those cables? Did I put them in the top box? And I was like, oh fuck, I forgot to do it. And then I stopped to have a look, and they were right here. They're kind of, yeah, so they're kind of wedged between the backpack and the top box, so it didn't fall off. But yeah, those could have fallen off anywhere. So that was lucky. We are soon here on the first stop, once we get over this bridge. Oh, that's some nice icebergs. Just had another charger that didn't work. This is getting embarrassing, Energica. Please fix. I think maybe it was the same type as the other ones that didn't work, but luckily I didn't have to charge. Otherwise I would be pretty stuck. So yeah, actually it was not the same one, but okay, at least the next one is different, so I'll try that. Okay, so I have considered my options a little bit, and I am going to visit this glacier lake that's on the way. It doesn't seem to add too much, so that should be fine. So yeah, and that means I'll be skipping the F-road going up towards the glacier. There also seems to be some clouds rolling in over the mountain, so that's probably just as well. But yeah, we'll try this glacier lake for sure. 8 kilometers. Yeah, that should be fine. Tenker vi tar den fine veien. Sorry, I spoke to myself in Norwegian. Yeah, the Google Maps wanted me to stick to the right here. I'm sure it's a little bit shorter, but yeah, I'm sticking to the proper road. They all merge together just up here anyway. I don't really see a point in going around on that poor one. Where are we going? I thought I was going to the glacier. Oh, it's that glacier. That was the Icebergs jökull. So yeah, not as pretty I think as the last one, but way more peaceful. I was the only one here until these people arrived. Well, there was someone here when I came, but they left, so yeah. I got to fly my drone a little bit, so that was nice. Kind of nice with a white glacier right in between the clouds there. Yeah, and over there it's raining, for sure. Wow. Good thing I'm going in the opposite direction. Once I'm off this road. Alright, let's get back to the main road and get to the charge point. I also haven't eaten today, so yeah. I was going to eat if I could get the charger working on the last place. But since that didn't work, I just left and went here. Okay then, let's see if we can charge here. Yeah, and there's also a type 2 here. But actually, these type 2 chargers also does not work on the Energica. These are the easy chargers, and yeah, I also tried some of those on the Rebel, same problem. The issue is that the charging starts, and then the charger does some kind of, I don't know, it pauses the session, it says in the app, and then the bike says, oh, you finished charging, I'll just unlock the charger cable then. And then the charger says, oh, you stopped the charging session. Okay, we're finished. And we're done. Nothing more happens. So let's see here. ON. Let's see. I heard a click, that's always good. Yeah, now it's working. I can hear the charger starting up. So this is a 100 kilowatt one, the other was 150, but I don't know. It seems pretty random to me. Let's put the shed ammo back in place. Let's go, we have charged up. The restaurant in the hotel wasn't open until later, but yeah, they had some sandwiches, so I had a sandwich. And we're good to go. Next stop is yeah, what is it? Stocksnes, I think it is. Yeah, that's next up. And I'm thinking about pushing through all the way to Egilstadir today and stay there for 2 nights instead of arriving tomorrow. The weather today looks really good all day, so I'm thinking if it gets a bit late today, that's fine, and I can just sleep in tomorrow and maybe do a short day trip. Yeah, relax a bit. There's really only 2 days left, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, and then the boat leaves early in the morning. So I am on my way down to the Stocksnes Black Sand Beach. We can actually see black sand already, but here's some nice black sand to get stuck in. Ooh, oy, oy, oy. Yeah, that was the black sand is slippery. Pretty nice place, and we got a clear view of the mountain today. And yeah, the beach also looked pretty nice. I wonder if I can park the bike somewhere to get a black sand picture without messing up too much. I think maybe here. Yeah, no, I'm already off the road. There, back on the road. Yeah, as soon as you get off the road, you sink right into the sand. So I'm done visiting the Stocksnes Black Sand Beach. Really nice beach, and way less crowded than that other black beach I went to earlier. Was it today? No, yesterday. Yeah, and also visited this Viking village they have here. It's yeah, it was built for a movie set, for a movie that apparently never happened. So yeah, the buildings are still here, and I got a really nice view of the Vestrahorn mountain. We are going over a little pass now, apparently. Yeah, so we have entered the gravel road, as you can probably see. And oh my god, what have people been doing here? So bumpy. Yeah, so this pass, yeah, I'm going over it now. To get to Egelstadir, it was like 60 kilometers this way, and if I follow the ring road, it's 130, so saving a bit of time by going here. Yeah, I think this is a nice road to end the day. Wow. Yeah, really nice place. Wasn't really expecting this today. Heading into a cloud, it seems. It's been a while. When was the last time? Yeah, first day in Iceland, when it was really cloudy. And yeah, up and over the pass over to Bakkagardi, or what it was called. There it was yeah, completely in the fog. But I'm hoping I stay below it. Hard to tell. I think we're going down now, so we actually just went up into it and then we're going back down. Oh no, what's this then? What's with all these potholes? Come on, I'm just on one side. I just ride on the wrong side of the road. That's how it is. Well, we're not down yet, but yeah, we have descended a little bit and it's clearing. Yeah. Nice end of the day. Cool. So I think I'll end this video here. I will of course bring up the map and show you where I went today. And yeah, then I'll see what happens tomorrow. Right. So today it took me from here, close to Svartifoss, and then I went all the way back up to Egilsstadir. So yeah, the trip is coming to an end. So that was it for this video. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye!